Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Kennedy here, and today I have for you my reaction to RWBY Volume 5, Chapter 7, Rest and Resolutions by Rooster Teeth. So I'm super excited for this. Episode, and I cannot wait to get into it. So let's just get started in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. They're all together. Oh my gosh, I'm not so happy that we don't have to wait until next episode to get it.
How do you lose your math at a time like that?
Believe me, I've asked myself the same thing ever since.
Volume 4.
Hey, but you made up for it, Mr. Muscles. You should have seen this guy take a giant grim head on.
Yeah.
I couldn't have done it without Ruby wearing it down.
True.
Oh, me? Did you see Ren during that fight? He was out of control.
Literally.
I'm sorry. I may have lost my temper momentarily.
No, and out of control isn't awesome.
Oh.
Oh.
Thank you.
You did not. Yeah, right in the middle of the party. Please tell me you let that lady have it. Of course not. Even if I did really want to. No way. I don't believe it.
No, just twitching.
It's no replacement for the real thing. But I'll make sure to make good use of it.
Good job.
It's amazing. Incredible.
Yes, indeed. RWBY.
Just as strong? Sure is.
Even stronger.
Wanna bet?
Heck
Nora,
yes.
Please, now's not the time.
Heck yes.
You can do this. Show them what Team Juniper's made of.
Come on, sis! Oh, you can't lose to a girl in a skirt!
You wear a skirt.
Ruby.
Yeah.
You're not cheering loud enough!
Weiss is so done with everything.
You're original.
Look, she looks into the camera like in Modern Family.
Yep.
Not Modern Family, what the heck?
It does
The
have
Office.
some new features. Oh, yeah?
She just blew.
Did she win?
Yes, she did. I think so.
Huh?
Oh my. Yeah, good job, Yang.
Oh, I think I'm gonna be sick.
Easy
You're always
there,
sick.
Vomit Boy. I believe in you.
Volume 1
Oh,
references.
we're doing nickname throwbacks now. Wonderful.
Volume 1.
I mean, the Ice Queen seems to like it. I so did not miss you people. Oh my gosh, she really does like it. What went and warmed your heart while you were gone? Hey, you make it sound like I used to be terrible.
You used to be terrible.
Just a lot to deal with at once.
It's been a long time. We've all grown in our own ways.
It's so sweet.
You really think so?
Well, think back to when we were all at Beacon. Would you say you ever did anything foolish or embarrassing?
Yes.
Or do you think you were perfect?
Oh gosh. I may have been a little too gung-ho from time to time.
A little?
You? I tried to 1v1 a Nevermore on the second day of school.
Yeah, well,
True.
don't even get me started.
Well, that embarrassment,
Poor
that
Jean.
desire to go back and tell yourself not to be so stupid, that just proves you're not the same person you used to be.
True.
You're smarter, or kinder, or stronger, and you're not done growing yet. None of us are.
Ren, you're
Yeah,
good.
it turns out Ren gets real deep when he feels like talking.
Yeah, Ren's a good inspirational speaker.
Well, hold on. I thought I was pretty great in school. Even at the dance? When you spilled punch all over yourself in front of... Yes, especially the dance. Thank you, Yang.
How can 6 kids possibly make so much noise eating dinner?
Freaking Oscar is so short. And now they have to meet Ozpin again. Hey there, fella. Guessing that they just explained?
The maidens,
Yeah.
magic, Salem, it's all true?
Yes, indeed.
Miss Xiao Long,
Is this more or less what your mother told you?
For the most part. You forgot something. You forgot to tell everyone what you did to Crow and my mother.
I'm honestly gonna guess that they had a choice.
What is she talking about?
Like, Raven wouldn't just let that happen. Crow certainly wouldn't be on Osmond's side if he forced
I thought
them.
she would give up so easily. Your mother must trust you a great deal. My ability to reincarnate, though a curse, isn't without a few key benefits. Much like the maidens, I too possess a certain magical power.
Yeah.
Using this power, I was able to gift the Bronwyn twins the ability to see more, to move freely and be unburdened by their natural bodies.
As birds.
Well, gave them the ability to turn into birds.
True.
Rather ridiculous sounding out loud, isn't it?
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
You turn them into
I love the fact that
birds.
Oscar is like says
Alright,
we now.
Now you're just messing with us.
What else is new?
He's telling the truth.
Poor Jean.
We saw it. Yang's mom changed right in front of us.
Yeah. And you guys have
Why would you do something like
seen
that?
Crow turn into a
I mean,
bird?
what is
No, they
wrong with
didn't.
you?
Yeah,
Didn't.
that's enough. We made a choice.
Yeah, I'll say
We wanted this.
they would have had a choice. No way would Osmond have
Man.
forced it on them. Yang, you're jumping to conclusions too
Granting
quick.
this power to them was no trivial task, and I can assure you it was not done frivolously. I required assistance in gathering information on Salem's plans, as well as searching for maidens when their hosts became unclear.
Yeah.
Okay, so have you done this with others? Like General Ironwood or Professor Goodwitch?
As helpful as that might be,
Yeah.
unfortunately it is not that simple. My power is finite, and if I'm being honest, dwindling. The amount that I
Ooh.
gifted to Crow and Raven was, all things considered, rather minuscule.
Compared to like what he actually has.
You see, centuries ago, I sacrificed a great deal of magic to 4 young women, who
The
I hoped would
maidens.
use my gift for good.
The maidens.
They were the first maidens.
Yeah. Knew he was the
Miss
wizard.
Zhao
I
Long,
mean,
it was never my intention to lie to you, to any of you. There are just some matters that I prefer to play close to the chest. I
Yeah.
believe that's how you phrased it.
Yeah.
Everyone has a choice. The Bronwyns chose to accept their powers and the responsibilities that came with them.
yeah, Raven
And later,
chose.
one of them chose to abandon her duties in favor of her own self-interest. Now, all of you have a choice. If anyone wishes to leave, now is the time. There is no shame or disgrace in abstaining. Only in retreat.
Yeah. So don't sign on and
Very
then
well,
leave.
then.
Just stay. Oh.
Yang?
If Ruby sticks around, then I will too.
Oh, good.
If there's one thing I know about her, it's that she somehow always knows the right thing to do.
It's true.
But if we're going to help, if we're going to keep risking our lives, no more lies. No more half-truths.
There you go. Seems easy
Understood.
enough. Yeah. Got it.
So, what now? I mean, what can we do?
That is a difficult question. One that I believe is best answered tomorrow.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
The road ahead is undoubtedly filled with hardships and peril. However, it has been far too long since you have all been together. Please, take tonight. Enjoy this moment.
Yeah.
Instantly just, oh my god!
Raven? Crow? They're
Hey, Ugly.
Mercury's back finally, like his voice actor. Hey there.
Is Raven Bronwyn home?
Did they get to kick some ass?
I've had a real bad week. So I think I'm gonna take it out on you.
Yeah. I wouldn't.
Doesn't look like he wants to cooperate, boss.
Then make him.
Ooh.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Mercury looks hot. Like, I have the hots for Mercury right now. And there goes Emerald, going to kick some butt. Oof, okay. Okay. That was good, that was good. That was a really short episode. Like, that was super short. Think about maybe a little over 10 minutes, but yeah. Whoa, okay. I really enjoyed that so much. Like, yawns. Yeah. We got some talks, some good, much needed talks. Gang's all back together except for Blake. We just need Blake back and Pierre to be alive. So yeah. And then we got the talk with like Ozpin / Oscar. And I can't wait for the next episode. I'm so close to catching up. Oh my god, guys. Alright, I'm 3 episodes away. I'm 3 episodes away. I think it really helped that I got to do 9 videos last night. So, yeah. I'm so excited, and I hope your guys' New Year's Eve goes just as good as mine's going. Watching RWBY before the ball drops and before I get to count down. So, alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed because I sure as heck did. If you did, please leave a like. If you like my personality, please subscribe. If you don't like it, please don't comment about it because I really don't care and I don't need your hate. So, as always, don't forget to eat your chicken, and bye!